Hey Potato Family, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing some MeepCity in Roblox. So I guess we could just get on into it, but I have something to say. I've been gone past couple days. One, because of homework. Um I had school, of course, and I had to get my homework done. But another one, I don't want to say this one, but someone passed away in my family a couple days ago, and I just could not record. Um, it was sad. I handled it pretty well, but still, it's still bugging me. But I'm back. You know, she's gone now. She's in a better place because, if you're hurt, you want to get into a better place. So, I mean, it's not like it wasn't my decision, it was hers. She wanted to die. She was in pain the whole time. So, yeah, that is one reason why I was not on the past couple days, and also for the reason I had to do my homework, which was pretty hard to do since, you're crying and you're doing homework at the same time. Not the best idea. But, I mean, if it helps my family, I guess I can do it. I'm just gonna get on my scooter really quick because this is really bothering me. I forgot where it's at. I think it's in here. Yeah. Or, I haven't played this in like for years. Like, oh, my nose. Yeah, I haven't played this in for years. I'm gonna add some flowers. Why not? Let's see which one. Let's do this one. Okay, we are planting some flowers. We are going to plant this one again. Does that mean they need water? Water. Water. We're gonna go over here and add some flowers over here. They're gonna be different ones. You're gonna water these ones. And I think I did that one. I don't know. If they're different, we'll know. But fireworks. Ooh. Okay, we're gonna go inside my house. Come on, Blizzard. I'm gonna go inside my house just so I can. I don't even know if there's anything in here, to be totally honest. I haven't played this in for years. Nope, there's nothing in here. This is great. you know, I mean, it's bomb. Then we're gonna go fishing. Fish. We're gonna go fish for fish. Oh, it's this way because the arrows are pointing this way. We're gonna go fishing. Sorry about that. Holy moly. That hurt. Let's go fishing quick. Oh. I'm not the best at this. 10 coins. Okay, that was great. 4 coins. Got cast a little bit harder. 3 coins. We're gonna go with that one. Hiya. Dang it. Hiya. Yes. 4 coins. I don't know actually the biggest you can get. I think it's like 20 or something, or 30. I don't know. Kind of forgot. 14 coins. 13 coins. 10 coins. 6 coins. 6 coins. This is like actually fishing in real life, but you can see the fish. Instead of you not being able to see them, you can see them. Four coins. Ah! 9. 10. Okay. 9. 4 more fishies. Okay, I'm gonna go back there. 4 more fish. 2 more fish. That sounds weird. Fish. Sounds like flush, but with fish. Fish. Sounds like flipping weird. Okay, we got 20. Let's go shooping. I'm joking. I hate that word. Shooping? What kind of, like, popular MMO shooping. That's just weird. Shooping. Shooping. It's like you're saying stupid. Shooping. Oh, sorry. I'm really unimpressed. Okay. I think we gotta go to the pet shop. Pet shop, pet shop. And we gotta go here, sell your fish. Sell. Let's go. Okay. I think we're gonna go buy some stuff. Stuff for me. House. Home improvement. No, furniture. Furniture. Actually, let's see if we can buy a bigger house. And then we can buy just more furniture. To go in the house. Let's see what kind of house we can get. Blueprints. I can get a tier 2 for 1,000, or I can get just a trailer aesthetic for 500. I don't know. I mean, I have like the worst house, so this must be better than that house. And this, of course, is better because it's tier 2, so it's obviously better. I think we're just gonna go with the trailer for right now until we get more coins. Just for right now, so we can at least buy some furniture, hopefully. Hopefully furniture isn't that expensive. I haven't played this in 3 years, so I kind of forgot. Yeah. Ooh, blue carpet. Not the best, but I don't care. Candy pack. There's a candy pack now. Oh, you gotta buy it for 1,000 Robux? I don't think so. Kitchen. A bowl of fruit is $100. Oh my god. For just a bowl of fruit is $100. This is dumb. I think I'm gonna buy this one or this one. Which one? I don't know. And that matches the silverware. I think I like this one. I think I'm gonna buy that one. And just gonna buy like 2 chairs. Oh, but that one looks better. Oh well. Just 2 chairs for now. And then gotta buy some counters. Just 2 for now. I'll buy a metal fridge. One for now. I'm gonna buy one corner. And that's literally all we can buy. Okay. I just got a kitchen. That's it. And like a little dining room. I mean, it's not the worst, but it could be better. I think we're gonna just teleport to our house, because it's way easier. Okay, I changed this. I swear I did. House. Blueprints. Why was someone in my house? That's creepy. No, that's like real creepy. I'm not even joking. Holy moly, someone was in my house and that's creepy. There was nothing even in it, and he was in it. That's kind of creepy. Yeah, this is a way better house, I have to admit. It's pretty bigger. It's bigger. Okay, we're gonna make the kitchen probably in this one, maybe. Then we have the living room in here. Or should we have the living room here and the kitchen here? Ah! Don't know. I don't know. I think I'm gonna have the kitchen here. Alright. Let's do this. Put that right in the corner. So that's a corner. Let's do that. Why is it not even? This is gonna bother me for like 20 years if I don't make this even. I'm not even joking. Why isn't it even? That is gonna bother the Macaulay out of me. Oh wait, is this the right way? No, like I'm literally confused. Is this the right way? Now it doesn't even go. Wait, why? What is this? This is not the best way of putting in a house. My God. Which way? Okay, it goes like this. Okay. And then, but this is not even with the flippin'. Oh God, it's gonna bother me. I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking. That's gonna bother the flippity flip flop out of me. Is this even the right way? I'm so confused. I swear it goes like this, but it doesn't even go in there anymore. This is like the worst way of making a house. Like, look, what is this? I swear, it doesn't even go in the corner. Ah, this is the worst way of making a house. Look, it's like so glitchy. Do you see that? Okay, maybe I don't like this game anymore. Oh, whatever. We're gonna have to deal with it. Which I don't know if I can. Okay. Metal fridge. I didn't buy a flippin'. I don't care. This is all I got right now in my house is this. And a nice dining table, because we need that in life. But we only got 2 chairs because we can't afford 5 million. Well, guys, that's gonna wrap up our video today. Building a house that's not even the best house ever, but, you know, we'll live with it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button and hit that little bell to turn on notifications. And also, subscribe for more videos like these. So, I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.